What are you doing?
I'm making a ballast for my tractor. You know, weight for the back end so the back wheels get traction.
By digging a hole.
Well, you dig a hole and then you fill it with stuff.
Are you bored?
I don't know if bored is the right word.
Digging a hole and filling it with stuff.
Guess you just have to come along and see. Maybe it works, maybe it doesn't.
Heading down to the creek for stones for Steve's project.
Throw the rocks in, buddy. Try to get them where you don't see there are any rocks already. Not too close to the edge, but it's called problem.
What do you have sticking out of the cement there?
That's so I can attach it to the tractor.
Why do we have two more holes now?
I dug one for Caleb because when I dug the one for me to build my ballast weight for the tractor, Caleb jumped in and started digging and dug in there until I made him get out of the way for me to do what I had to do. So I dug one for him, and then Isaiah asked if he could dig one for himself. So Isaiah drove the tractor with me telling him what to do, and he dug that other hole.
Okay, so by the time I'm done digging this out, I'm gonna put mud in it, then put sticks at the end of there, at the end of here, then animals will come into it and they will get stuck.
So you're making a trap?
Yes.
And what do you have here, Caleb?
A trap.
You have a hole. Caleb, what did you find in your hole?
Wow.
Worms?
Yeah.
Are you digging?
Yeah.
Where's your shovel?
It's gone.
It's gone. Let's go find you a shovel.
Well, I don't need a shovel. I can use my face. I'm making it.
First hole,
What else?
2 more holes.
I was hoping for 800 to 1,000 at least, just to make a difference. We'll see if the hitch holds in the cement once the cement has a good week or two to harden up.